What is the best commercial dehumidifier? Here are my full reviews of the best commercial dehumidifier. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Number 1. Aprilaire Commercial Dehumidifier. Removing up to 130 pints of water per day, the Aprilaire 1870 model can dehumidify up to 7,200 square feet of commercial space. It is compatible with 110 volts AC to 120 volts AC, single phase, 60 Hz power sources, and works very well even in confined spaces such as basements and crawl spaces. It reduces the survival rates of airborne particles by keeping relative humidity below 60%. Durable and efficient, this unit is built with corrosion-resistant aluminum coils. It features an inbuilt digital control display, 2 ducts for inlet/outlet, washable MERV8 filter, and threaded barbed fitting for drain connections. Its set it and forget it control automatically starts moisture removal when it senses excessive humidity. For added convenience, it can be ducted to your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning (HVAC) system. To further facilitate easy access, the control panel can be mounted on the unit's top or front. Its leveling feet facilitate easy movement around the commercial spaces. The Aprilaire 1870 dehumidifier is a low-maintenance unit with no messy trays to empty. It is quite simple, requiring once-a-year filter cleaning and replacement. It comes with a 5-year warranty. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 2. KOLZER 232 ppd Commercial Dehumidifier. Removing up to 232 pints of moisture per day, the KOLZER 232 model is the best commercial dehumidifier with a large capacity unit that can dry nearly 8,000 square feet of industrial space. It works well for projects that require immediate water damage restoration and quick structural drying. With a high airflow rate of 353 cubic feet per minute, CFM, the motorized impeller and air filter can dry the factory floor within 10 minutes. The air filter is of high density and must be changed every 3 months. It features an automatic built-in humidistat and auto restart facility that helps monitor moisture levels and save energy. It is easy to use with a digital control panel, intuitive LCD screen, auto error detector, auto defrost, auto diagnosis, and auto on/off timer. For added convenience, this model has a continuous drainage system with a 6.56 feet drain hose. Simple to move and maneuver, this dehumidifier features large semi-pneumatic back wheels, flexible caster front wheels, and a sturdy bar handle. Its outer metal casing comes with anti-collision and anti-corrosion features, ensuring long-term use and easy maintenance. The KOLZER dehumidifier comes with a 2-year seller warranty. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 3. ALORAIR Commercial Water Damage Restoration Dehumidifier. Remove up to 190 pints of moisture per day at saturation conditions. The ALORAIR 85 ppd Storm LGR Commercial Dehumidifier is one of the best in the industry. It is highly efficient at operating temperature ranges of 33 to 105 degrees F, drawing over 5.5 amps on a 115 volts power supply. It features the best dehumidification options for after flood restoration tasks in warehouses, basements, crawl spaces, garages, industries, and shops up to 2,300 square feet. As this model is designed with waterproof features, the circuit board is 100% sealed even if there is huge flooding. Therefore, the Storm LGR Extreme Dehumidifier works excellent in cleaning and water removal. Its stackable design not only saves space but also helps transport more machines to the destination point. To add more convenience and storage capacity, the unit is designed to accommodate the power cord and condensate hose on the side of the unit. Equipped with epoxy-coated coils, the unit gets ultimate protection against corrosion and maintains optimal levels of heat transfer throughout its life. It features a hot gas bypass defrosting system that ensures quick and efficient ice clearance at a minimum operating temperature of 35.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Easy to use and convenient, this model features a digital humidistat control, LED display, and a timer. The built-in condensate pump and the 19.6 feet drain hose pump water to a height of 14.7 feet. The dehumidifier comes with a warranty of 5 years on compressor, evaporator, and condenser, and 3 years on parts and labor, and 1 year on parts and labor. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 4. Dri-Eaz-F412 LGR 7000 Li Commercial and Portable Dehumidifier. Removing up to 235 pints per day, the Dri-Eaz LGR model is among the best commercial dehumidifiers available in the market. It is most efficient in operating ranges between 33 degrees Fahrenheit and 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Its advanced crossflow technology helps maximize the moisture removing capability in low-grain environments. This Dri-Eaz model is the best among smart commercial dehumidifiers that are equipped with wireless technology to track working conditions and equipment performance over the internet. It is easily portable and convenient with sturdy wheels and an electrical cord that is 25 feet long. The Dri-Eaz model uses the low-grain refrigerant, LGR, technology that cools the air and enables efficient operation over a broad range of temperatures and RH levels. The Dri-Eaz model features built-in humidity sensors that monitor dehumidifying performances, inlet/outlet temperatures, and adjust the automatic fan speed according to the need. Equipped with a condensate pump and a 40 feet drain pipe, the Dri-Eaz units can pump water up to 20 feet high. The auto pump out and auto restart ensure continuous operations after power outages without any need to be worried. The Dri-Eaz digital control panel comprises of sensor readings, settings, and error display in Spanish, German, French, and English. Its rotomolded polyethylene housing serves as a strong wall with resistance to damage and leaks. Multiple Dri-Eaz units can be conveniently stacked, thus saving storage space. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 5. ALORAIR basement/crawl space dehumidifiers. Again, the Dri-Eaz brand has several entries in our list, but they're not the only ones that make quality commercial dehumidifiers. The ALORAIR brand and their specialized machines are on our list because they do an excellent job as well. The ALORAIR Sentinel T90 is one such dehumidifier, specializing in crawl space and basement humidity management. Like commercial dehumidifiers from the ALORAIR brand, the Sentinel T90 also features the epoxy-coated refrigerator coils that provide corrosion protection on the coils, thus maintaining heat transferability over the life of the coils. Moreover, the added corrosion protection reduces the chance of freon leakage, thus extending the overall life of the dehumidifier. Basements and crawl spaces are known for being incredibly moist during any season, and thus you need a dehumidification that can operate under low temperature conditions. The Sentinel T90 features the hot gas valve defrosting system for quick and efficient defrosting under low temperatures, allowing it to run efficiently even at 36 degrees Fahrenheit. The HGV defrosting system ensures that the unit works efficiently and continuously during low temperature seasons without having to stop periodically to defrost, saving time and making the unit last longer. What makes the Sentinel T90 an ideal choice for crawl spaces and basements is its remote control and monitoring function. You can use the remote control to monitor the humidity and set the performance of the unit without having to check on it physically. However, note that you have to purchase the remote control separately from the dehumidifier. Draining won't be a problem with this unit as it comes with heavy-duty condensate pump that easily attaches to the unit with a 20-inch lifting distance. This pump gives you the freedom to drain anywhere. The ALORAIR brand stands by their products, which is why they offer a 5-year warranty on the Sentinel D90. Their after-sales service is impeccable. You can easily reach their service team wherever you are in the country if ever you need replacement or assistance with your unit. If you want to buy this product, link in the description.